a form of education which has no direct bearing on the particular type of character which you want to develop is absolutely worthless. ऐसी कोई भी तालीम जिसका तासुर शख्सियत में कोई ऐसी खूबसूरती और वसअत पैदा न कर पाए जिसके आप मुतलाशी है, ऐसी तालीम बिल्कुल बेफ़ायदा और बेमकसद है। An education system that ignores spiritual and ethical dimension of human being can never achieve the highest form of meaning. It may train efficient professionals but fails to produce noble personalities. It may create experts but not visionaries, an ocean of followers but not the leader.